Welcome back to Year 9 Chemistry. This is Week 2, Session 3, Simple and Fractional Distillation. How do you get pure water out of salt water, or separate two liquids that are completely mixed together? The answer is distillation, the technique that uses boiling points as its tool. Today you will follow the vapor through the apparatus and learn exactly when to add a fractionating column. Let's begin. Your 4 goals. First, describe evaporation and condensation in simple distillation. Second, identify the purpose of every part of the apparatus. Third, compare simple and fractional distillation. And fourth, choose the right method from boiling point evidence. Here is simple distillation step by step. 1. Heat the mixture in the flask. 2. The more volatile component vaporizes more readily. 3. The vapor rises and enters the condenser. 4. Cold water flowing around the condenser removes energy from the vapor. And 5. The vapor condenses and the liquid distillate drips into the receiver. Evaporation in the flask, condensation in the condenser. 2 changes of state, working as a team. Now the details that earn marks. The condenser's job is to remove energy from the vapor, so it becomes liquid distillate. It does not dissolve anything and it does not filter anything. The thermometer bulb sits level with the sidearm, so it measures the temperature of the vapor entering the condenser, not the liquid below. And the cooling water enters at the lower connection and leaves at the upper one. That keeps the water jacket full and gives efficient countercurrent cooling. So when do we need fractional distillation? Compare the two. Simple distillation has no column. It suits a solvent and a dissolved solid, like salt solution, or liquids with widely separated boiling points. Fractional distillation adds a fractionating column, and it wins for miscible liquids whose boiling points are close together. For similar liquids, simple gives poor separation, and fractional gives much better separation. Why does the column work? Because it provides repeated vaporization and condensation stages. Vapor condenses on the column, vaporizes again, condenses again, and each cycle enriches the rising vapor in the lower boiling component. By the top, the vapor is much purer. Be careful with the wrong answers here. The column is not a filter with small pores. It does not turn liquids into solids, and it certainly does not give both liquids the same boiling point. It is repetition that does the work. Let's practice choosing. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, propanone at about 56. That difference is large, so simple distillation gives a useful separation. But ethanol and water, they are miscible. Their vapors contain both components, and their boiling points are closer, so fractional distillation is the better choice. The rule: the closer the boiling points, the more you need the column. Safety, and this one is tested. Never seal the apparatus. A heated, closed system builds dangerous pressure, so there must always be an open path to the receiver. That means do not stopper the receiver during heating. Do not run cooling water from the top only, leaving air inside the jacket. And never test hot glass by touching it. Distillation needs laboratory supervision and a proper heat source. Before we finish, connect the whole of Topic 1. Particle motion explains evaporation and condensation. Physical properties determine which separation method to choose. Temperature data support decisions about volatility, and practical evaluation checks safety, purity, and loss of product. 4 ideas, 1 connected story, from particles to properties to methods to judgment. Quick check. Question 1. What change of state happens inside the condenser? Pause and answer. Condensation. Gas to liquid, as the vapor loses energy. Question 2. Which technique suits 2 miscible liquids with close boiling points? Fractional distillation, because repeated vaporization and condensation improve the separation. Your recap. Distillation separates by volatility and boiling point. Simple distillation pairs evaporation with condensation. Fractional adds a column for close boiling points. And never seal the apparatus. That completes Topic 1. Next session, a new adventure, the story of the atom, starting with Dalton and Thomson. For the full course, with practice questions and the final exam, visit www.scribetoexam.com. See you there!